Hello, cool kids! We're making ice cream cone cupcakes. My mom taught me how to make these. You can pause the video anytime to complete a step. Tap play when you're ready to move on. You will need 24 ice cream cones, 1 box of cake mix, eggs, water, oil, a cupcake pan, and cupcake liners. You'll find the recipe in the description below. Step 1. Add the cake mix to a mixing bowl. Step 2. Add 1 cup of water to the cake mix. Step 3. Add half a cup of oil to the mixing bowl. Step 4. Crack 3 eggs. Separate the whites from the yolk. Add the whites to the mixing bowl. One, 2, 3. Step 5. Mix the batter on medium speed for 2 minutes. You can do this by hand if you don't have a mixer. We'll speed this part up for you. Step 6. Fill each cupcake liner about 1/3 of the way full. That's about 3 tablespoons in each. Step 7. Place 1 ice cream cone upside down on top of each. Step 8. Bake at 350 in the oven for 14 to 19 minutes. Remove from the oven and let the cupcakes cool. Some of them will be a little lopsided. That's okay, they will still stand up. Once the cupcakes are cool, remove them from the pan and remove the cupcake liners. Now it's time to frost. For the frosting, you will need 2 cups of powdered sugar, milk, vanilla, and butter. You'll find the recipe in the description below. Step 1. Add 1/3 cup of butter to the mixing bowl. Let the butter soften and then cream the butter by smushing and mixing. 2. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar to the butter. Cream the powdered sugar and the butter together by smushing and mixing. You can do this with an electric mixer like we used for the cake batter, or by hand. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to the mixing bowl. Smush and mix. Step 4. Add milk to the mixing bowl. Start with 1/4 of a cup. You won't need it all. Pour in a small amount at a time. Mix until the consistency is just right. Not too runny and not too gloppy. You can always add more milk to thin your icing or more powdered sugar to thicken it up. Smush and mix. Get out all of those lumps. Mix until the frosting is nice and smooth. Consistency looks just right. Step 5. Frost your cupcake. Frost the top and the sides. Step 6. Add the sprinkles. I like to put a plate underneath to catch the extra. Sprinkle the top and the sides. You can put these in small cups or Dixie cups until you're ready to serve. Thanks for making ice cream cone cupcakes with us today. We hope you'll join us again next time for another Cool Kids Campus how-to. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Kids Campus for more stories, learning, and fun.